Hey guys, it's Pete from NUTLEY Kia here, showing you a 2016 Kia Sportage LX, white exterior, black interior. It's a certified vehicle, so you're going to get the balance of the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and the balance of the actual bumper-to-bumper as well. Plenty of cargo space here. 60/40 rear, fold-down second row. Vehicle has 50,000 miles, which means you have another 50,000 of powertrain warranty. This vehicle comes standard with Bluetooth, backup camera, an active ecosystem to maximize your gas. So if you're looking for a small to mid-size SUV, certified warranty, come down to see Pete at NUTLEY Kia.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.